name is Jesus Ramírez. I've been here since I was about 10 years old. This site is actually very important to my family. Everybody works here, including my mom, my daughter, my sons, my nieces, my sister. Everybody works here. We take turns. Simple as that. This site was converted to Sunny about 4.5 months or 5 months. We thought it was a good idea, and when we did the change, people kind of liked it, and they say it looks nice, so everything took off from there. This is Brickell, high-end area. All vehicles are very expensive, so our big sale is premium. Since we flipped over to Synergy, in the fuel, we've seen like a 4% increase. Implementing Synergy was very fast. We didn't even notice actually when they were doing it. And we have a small site, so it was done pretty quick and very convenient for us. The total benefits of Exxon Mobil, it's been great. The offer about Speed Pass at the pump is the best thing they ever made. I even have it myself, so I see how convenient it is. I would tell all the dealers to synergize now, step up, and they will see the difference in their sales, whether it's gas or store. Now is the time to do it.